For 3-100, once you've gotten this far in the part, you've split your screen, midpoint, midpoint. You've drawn all the circles you can, and now you've drawn the top 2 circles at this center point, okay? We don't have to figure out these angles. AutoCAD can do that for us. We're going to use the Array Classic command. So there is an Array command here. That is the updated one. We're not going to use it because I need to edit this after we do the array, and this command makes everything block together. So start typing in ARR on your keyboard. Pick Array Classic. Your dialog box is going to pop up. You might have rectangular array. Click Polar Array. Select Objects. And we're going to pick the 2 small circles. Right mouse click. That's going to throw you back in your dialog box. We're going to pick the center point button. And you pick the center of the whole part, because that is what we're rotating around, the center point. Count your number of objects. You have to count the object that you've already made. So we have 5 objects. Click OK. Ta-da! It's created your part for you. Now all you have to do is fill it. When you go to fill it, right mouse click and set the radius, which is 0.5. Hit enter. Right mouse click again and pick multiple, because you want to keep doing the same fillet over and over. Pick the little circle, pick the big one. Little circle, the big one. So you do that all the way around. You trim out what you don't want, and then I want you to zoom in on these little corners on each side and make sure you've trimmed those little pieces out. Once you do that, clean up your center lines. I know that this isn't exactly centered in the part, and there's not really anything to do about this center line up at the top. That is fine. It's okay. Just clean the rest of them up. You do not have to add the center lines like we have on the paper, because Array created this for us, and we're just going to let it be the way it is, okay? Make sure you edit your title block. Make sure you have saved it, and it'll be ready to print out.